This year was the 60th anniversary of the Spring Flood Run. The Flood Run is a biannual event that pays tribute to a group of bikers that made a 90-mile trip down to Winona, Minnesota to help sandbag the riverbanks during the Great Flood of 1965. Today, it has turned into a great ride event that acts as the kickoff to the two-wheeled season for many in Minnesota and Wisconsin. I've never been able to enjoy the event because of my work schedule. I have worked it for the dealership a few times, but I've never been able to ride it. This year, I took off Saturday to check out what is now a 3-day event. I started my ride from Chippewa Falls, taking the back roads to Prescott, Wisconsin. Prescott is a beautiful town and is located where the St. Croix River meets the Mississippi River. From Prescott, I traveled down to Maiden and visited with the owner of Chippewa Falls Harley-Davidson. This is the location where I've worked in years past, and I was underwhelmed with the turnout I saw this year. There was a fair amount of people hanging out, but not like I remember from years past. I remember when there used to be numerous vendors in the park, along with live music. This was less than half of what I was used to. Even with the lower turnout, I enjoyed my time in Maiden Rock. While I was on the ride, I was also filming a video review of the AOG C6 Pro. This little tool came in useful while trying to find new roads and planning my route on the fly. It is a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible screen that also features tire pressure monitoring, GPS data, and front and rear dash cameras. I will have a link below if you are interested in purchasing the screen for your bike. I will also link to my review so you can find out more information on it. From Maiden Rock, I continued south, but due to a delay in my morning departure, I crossed the river at Nelson heading into Waukesha. My original plan was to cross in Winona, but that didn't fit into my schedule. I do not have many miles on the Minnesota side of the Mississippi, but I can say regardless of which side you are on, there are beautiful views. Traveling north on Highway 61, I was hoping to see more action in Red Wing. Sadly, there was little to nothing going on. At this point in the day, I still had not eaten anything, so I decided to get dinner in Diamond Bluff at the Naughty Hog. When I arrived, they were still busy there. While enjoying my brat burger and a couple drinks, I got a great seat overlooking the Mississippi River. While my day did not go as planned and I didn't get quite the footage I wanted, I still consider a 400-mile day on a bike a success.